welcome back to another video. In this video, as you can see, we're back in our barn workshop, so we're gonna get going with the floors here. Since the ladder didn't reach, we have to finish this part, and we're also gonna do the part under the wall so we can bricklay in a nice support wall to lift up the whole wall up. And this video is actually sponsored by Aura, so we're gonna talk about them in a bit later. So let's get starting up of clearing up this clutter. It's a bitty pack.
What is in there?
Ooh. Huh. Huh. Oh.
Is that cool? That was something heavy inside, but it froze and broke.
Is that a good one? That's a good can.
Yeah.
That's kind of cute, huh?
Empty. Save us some work. Empty.
Pretty good in the interior. Yeah, they're good.
It's kind of fixable, some of the things. So.
No, it's still good.
Dom. Would be good, it would be sucking in a sense.
Bobby, I saw the biggest vacuum cleaner ever. It was that size and it could suck rubble. That's how they clear rubble in big building sites. So cool.
I don't think that's the one.
Oh, something came through.
Why do we even still have that? That's from the old vacuum cleaner.
Even for funniness. Dong. Oh, that is what you would call firewood. So as you can see, we are fully open up and now we can see out to the world and now we can see what we're dealing with. But before we continue with leveling this out and preparing all of this, we're going to talk about today's sponsor, which is Aura, and they're actually sponsoring this whole project and also taking care of our mental well-being. It's an all-in-one wellness and well-being and meditation app, so it has loads of things on there. We've been working very hard now for 4 years straight, and we don't talk in the videos how hard this work actually is on us mentally and a lot of these struggles that we're going through to even keep going with YouTube and stuff. So an app like Aura is really helpful. It really helps us to meditate and just get our mind straight and focus on what's important and take care of our mental health, which is just as important as physical health. And I'm gonna let Despina explain the rest of it because she's the one that uses the app more than me.
Lately I've been struggling to find motivation in the morning and I have a lot of stress, and Aura definitely has motivated me and helped me to calm down my stress. Aura has thousands of different meditations and plenty of types to choose from. As you can see, I chose the morning motivation. Aura is not just a meditation app, there's plenty of other things to choose from, such as sounds, breathing exercises, and even music. You can also be part of Aura Live, hosted by hundreds of different coaches, and also have a one-on-one coaching. Another thing I really enjoy is the stories, and you can choose the length of it, which is really cool because sometimes you want a longer story, sometimes a shorter one. I chose a quick, inspiring story. Aura also has healing sounds, which I find very effective and relaxing. So after my new morning routine, I feel much more motivated, and if you want to try out the Aura app, we're gonna have a link down below, and the first 500 people will get a free trial and 25% off, so make sure to check the link down below in case you're interested. I'm really enjoying it and I'm feeling much more motivated. And yeah, so let's continue now with kind of leveling it out. I think we have to go quite deep and take a few of those rocks out, which is gonna be quite a lot of work. So let's get started. But before we get with the digging, I wanna see, do you have your phone with you? Can we check like in there? Because it felt like quite of a big hole and it had some trash in front, so I don't know. Oh, it actually goes all the way.
That's not good for a wall, but this wall's coming down, so.
I mean, those walls are good if they're not exposed to water.
Yeah.
Which they were.
Like this inside one.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's a lot bigger than I thought.
Three, two, one. Okay.
as you can see, we're done with leveling, and we are not putting the sides on now because we have to add plastic and we have to add sides. We're gonna do it another day. And we need rebar, that's why we can't also do the concrete just yet. And thanks again to Aura for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. Without sponsors, we wouldn't be able to do this. So make sure you check out the app down below to support us and our projects by supporting our sponsors. So yeah, see you next time when we're doing concrete here.